Alberta conducts 6 immigration draws in mid February. Alberta has had a very active February under the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, conducting 6 separate immigration draws between 6th February and 19th February 2026. During this short 2 week period alone, the province issued no fewer than 441 invitations across multiple streams, reinforcing Alberta's focused and sector driven immigration strategy for 2026. These draws cover the Rural Renewal Stream, the Accelerated Tech Pathway, the Law Enforcement Pathway, and several priority sector selections under the Alberta Express Entry Stream. Breakdown of the 6 Alberta draws. Let's take a closer look at how invitations were distributed. On 19th February, Alberta invited 50 candidates under the Priority Sectors Pathway targeting construction occupations, with a minimum score of 61. On 17th February, fewer than 10 invitations were issued for agriculture occupations under the same priority sector stream, with a minimum score of 49. On 12th February, Alberta conducted its first ever manufacturing focused draw under the Express Entry stream, issuing 32 invitations with a minimum score of 50. The largest draw in this period took place on 10th February under the Rural Renewal stream, where 212 invitations were issued with a minimum score of 54. On 11th February, the Accelerated Tech Pathway invited 147 candidates at a minimum score of 59. And finally, on 6th February, fewer than 10 invitations were issued under the Law Enforcement Pathway with a minimum score of 50. Important policy changes and first time selections. This mid February activity includes some important developments. The manufacturing draw marks the first time Alberta has issued invitations under this newly added priority sector since it was introduced earlier this year. Additionally, 10th February Rural Renewal Draw was the first since Alberta tightened eligibility rules effective 1st January. These new rules require in Canada applicants to hold a valid work permit and also limit the number of annual community endorsements per designated community. This indicates that Alberta is becoming more selective while still maintaining steady invitation volumes. Alberta's 2026 nomination allocation. For 2026, Alberta has been allocated 6,403 provincial nomination spaces by the federal government. As of 18 February, 612 nominations have already been issued. 5,791 nomination spaces remain available. 1,032 applications are currently in processing. Across all worker streams, Alberta reports over 45,698 expressions of interest in its selection pool. The Alberta Opportunity Stream alone has more than 28,000 profiles competing for 3,425 allocated spaces in 2026. This shows that competition remains strong across most AIP pathways. Conclusion. Alberta's latest activity shows a clear pattern. Targeted sector-based selection is driving immigration in 2026. Tech, construction, manufacturing, agriculture, rural communities, and law enforcement are receiving focused attention. While nomination spaces remain available, the large EOI pool means candidates must remain competitive by ensuring their profiles are updated, work permits are valid, and occupations align with provincial priorities. Alberta continues to demonstrate a structured, labor market aligned immigration strategy, and further targeted draws are likely in the coming weeks. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.